What is up, you guys? Today I'm super pumped because Bitcoin reached a new high, or I guess at least a high for this year. Today it got up to $12,639. I actually just took this screenshot a couple minutes ago. So this is its current price at 12,600 US dollars. That's amazing, at least for 2019, because of course last year in 2018 it sunk pretty hard. Because 2 years ago we had it reach almost 20 grand. Anyway. So I've actually had a few friends get scammed with Bitcoin, I guess investments, right, is what they call them, but they're far from it. And I just felt really bad because I know a lot of people get excited, they invest in Bitcoin, and then, of course, they have these terrible experiences. And then that just makes me feel bad because these people got scammed or ripped off, and that just leaves a bad taste in their mouth about Bitcoin. So today, I came up with 6 legit ways that you can make money with Bitcoin. Uh, so I guess let's just jump right into it. First of all, you can, let's just make a list here. You can buy, oops, spell it right, buy and hodl or hodl. I've heard it pronounced both ways, HODL. And that stands for hold on for dear life, because Bitcoin goes up and down all the time. If you've been watching it even for just a few months, you know that. So you can do that with Bitcoin or altcoins, BTC, alt. So, of course, you kind of have to, I guess, well, exactly what HODL means, hold on for dear life, because eventually it should go back up. And then also, let me just mention real quick before I really get into this, don't take anything I say as real investment advice. This is just my own experiences, but consult, I guess if you have questions about investments, go and consult somebody else because I'm not necessarily an expert. So with that being said, yeah, you can buy and hodl. Number 2, this is becoming more popular, trading. This is a great way to make some money. Of course, it does require a considerable amount of skill. If you've ever tried the stock market, wait till you try trading Bitcoin, because that stuff, I mean, that's crazy. I got into it in the downward trending market about 2 years ago, which was a bad idea. It's really hard to make money in a downward trending market, but right now it's going upward. And a lot of people, a lot of, I guess, people from like JP Morgan, a lot of investment people are saying that Bitcoin's going to be skyrocketing this year, according to some charts. So you can do this at Coinbase Pro. I'll just write that right there, Pro. Just Google that. It used to be called GDAX, but they changed it now, and it's a really nice platform. I really liked doing it, and you actually can make trades for free if you do it the right way. Just Google that, or maybe I'll make another video about that soon. Anyway, then number 3, you can mine it, which is what I do. A lot of people do it, and it's kind of, at least it's probably the safer way of these 3 right here so far, because you're for sure, I mean, first of all, you invest in your hardware, your computer hardware, right? It requires a little bit of technical knowledge, or you can buy a pre-assembled one like on eBay or Amazon or something. But you invest in your computer hardware, and then you use that to make you get a return on investment every single day because it's just constantly mining. Of course, you'll want to do it at a time like this when Bitcoin is worth quite a bit and you actually can make money on top of what you spend on electricity. I do make money with it. It's just a couple bucks a day at this moment. I guess it's more than a couple, but it's not a ton, but I'm sure it will be going up quite a bit. 2 years ago when I first started, it was upwards of $20, $30 a day, just on 4 1080 Ti's, and that was pretty amazing. So, but I bet we're going to see some more of those days sometime soon. At least I hope so. And then also, I just want to say about mining, if you guys are interested in that, I make videos all the time about how to set up mining rigs, how to go about doing that. Just hit that subscribe button if you are interested in that kind of thing, and let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to go into greater detail about that. All right, let's jump to it. I'm trying to make this video not too long. Number 4, you can basically do tests and things to make Bitcoin. Let me just show you the website. It's called earn.com, and this was bought by another mother company a while ago. I can't remember who it was. Let's see here, but I have it right here. This is earn.com, and you can see here on the right hand side There's a question, what do you like most about the latest update to our app? So that's just an example. You basically evaluate people's apps and websites, and you answer emails, you answer different questions, and you get paid several dollars per test or whatever that you do in Bitcoin. And I've done this myself, and it is a legit way to make Bitcoin. You only get maybe a few dollars worth per day, but you do get an email saying, hey, you know, this person's willing to pay you $1 or $3 or $5 to do this test or share your opinions about things. So that's a great way to do it. It requires no investment at all. You can do it right from your phone, and that's a great one. So go ahead and look into that. And let's see here. Number 5, you can write about it, write about Bitcoin, or make videos. Videos, which is, of course, what I'm doing. You can make money on YouTube. I mean, that's has a little more to do with YouTube than Bitcoin itself. But, of course, there is a pretty good, I guess, audience for people who talk about Bitcoin. It is a great topic. It's a trending topic. Right now is the time to get into it. If you want to write about it on a blog or a website of some kind, you can maybe even get hired or make videos about it. So that's one other way. And then number 6, you can basically get paid to click on ads or watch videos, ads/videos. Now this way, oh, I spelled that wrong. There we go. This way you make, not very much, because you have to click on a lot of ads to be able to make anything really, to make it profitable for yourself or for the company running it. And then for that, I found this website, Paxful.com, and it's got, I'll put this link in the description below. Just go ahead and look for it. It has 15 practical ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2019. And I reviewed these, and a lot of them are legit. I got a couple of these ideas from there, actually. And so you can check that out if you want to. Anyway, so with these 6, of course, you have gambling, scams, and I'm just writing this just so you're aware of it. There are a lot of scams dealing with Bitcoin, unfortunately. Hopefully, a lot of people kind of figured that out a few years ago. Some people got burned, but there was the BitConnect, the infamous Bitcoin scam, BitConnect, and then also USI Tech. I had some friends trying to get me to invest in both of these actually, and I just felt like it wasn't legit, and I'm really glad that I didn't. So, just be aware of that. There are a lot of scams out there, but these 6 ways should be legit. Just make sure you do a little more research. I would say mining is a pretty safe way to go. And actually, earn.com, that kind of thing, there are some other examples on the website that I'll put in the description. But that's a really safe way to do it too, because you don't have to have any investment at all. Let me write that right there. No investment. Let's write it faster. Mint, whatever. So this right here is fantastic because you don't actually have to put any money into it. But if you want to make money a little bit faster, I would suggest trying to mine. You can do it on your laptop. It's just not quite as profitable, but other more powerful computers can totally make a profit with that. Anyway, sorry, that video is probably a little bit longer than I intended it to be, but let me know in the comments below if, if I guess I missed out on anything on your favorite way of making money. Also, you can just let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these things. I'd be happy to get back to you guys about that. I'll try and respond to every single one if possible. And I do come out with videos on multiple of these things, mostly mining, on a regular basis. So if this kind of stuff interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and hit a like on the video if you don't mind. That really helps me out too. So thank you guys for watching so much. Really appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one.